Samantha here. In this video, I'm going to be making one of these cards because I want to use it in my Bible journaling. I am going to be making some of these cards and sending it out to people, but I just yeah. So, but for now, thank you, Lord. But for now, I want to just make one that I'm going to use in a Bible journaling page. Before I go into the video, I do want to share something about the Paper Pumpkin subscription. Okay, so let me get my notes because I don't want to mess it up because this is an excellent deal. Okay, it's really nice. So, starting May 7th through May 10th. A paper pumpkin subscription is going to only be $5, and that includes shipping. So basically, the kit is free. It's only from May 7th through May 10th. Okay. Jean from Beauty and the Stamper, she's actually my upline. Um, she was explaining to me that because of the bargain, because it's practically like free, um even though it opens up on the 7th, May 7th, and it's to the 10th through the 10th, it could be gone before the 10th because of you know the promotion. It's a very good deal. It's a great deal. So it'll only cost $5 for the subscription to get the kit. And again, that includes the shipping. So, like she said, it's practically a giveaway. Um, now, you can cancel the subscription after you get it. So, if you decide that you don't like it and you get that kit, you don't want it, that's good. You could just go ahead and cancel it. There's no obligation to continue on. Okay, so basically, it's like you get to try it to see if you like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave my information down below um, for the promotion. So when it's time, May 7th through May 10th, you can use that link if you want to try the Paper Pumpkin Kit. Um, and I'm going to do another video before that, before the 7th, because it's only the 24th. So I'm going to probably do something weekly as a reminder. Um, until it starts. So, um, but also if you want to start now and you didn't want to wait for that bargain, you can go. I'll leave the link to Paper Pumpkin below. Okay, so here goes. I'm gonna pull out what's needed here. So I'm going to try to. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to make it exactly as is. And then, of course, I'm going to, do some unique things with it. I'm not going to just stick with that um, when I go, like, further into the Bible journaling page. But I'm just going to make the card now. And then, because I need to go and lay back down, I'm going to pull out some of the elements that I want to use. This right here. I know I'm going to use this in the Bible journaling video, but right now I'm going to just focus on the card. So I think that's all that I need right now. So I'm going to put the kit to the side. Okay, so I'm ready. What is this? Oh, what my the embossing. Oh my god. Of course, I'm going to be working with one of those this weekend. One of those. Alright, here we go. So good, I got that mat there, so I don't need this one right here. Okay, so let me put this to the side. I'm gonna bring this in, and here is the card. I got it right here. Maybe what I'm gonna do so who's ever following along to see it alongside me. Right here. Okay, and well, I need to bring out all of this. I could have left some of that in there. That's alright. Alright. Oh, it's a lot. It's two. It's two. I thought it was just one. Alright, I'll put that back later. And okay, so I need to do, so I got them, I got this. I needed the twine. This is the ink. And this is the card, right? So I'm not going to fill out the middle of the card yet, because that's going to be for notes and prayer, and then I'm going to put something on the back, of course. So when I tip it in, you know, but I just want to do the front. Okay, let me get out the stamp, the acrylic block, the stamping. Oh, it's nice. It's a really nice block. Okay, and I have the dimensionals. So the first thing first, okay, I see they have the twine there. I wonder how they put that twine down. Oh, you know what? Matter of fact, remember there are instructions inside. So, I mean, I have glue and stuff, but I want to kind of like follow along with the kit there. Oh, okay, they put it down with, got you. See, right here, it gives a clear view on how they stick it down. So I kind of like that. Okay. All right. All right, good. So let me put this here. So first thing first, I don't need these little adhesive dots, I don't think. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna stamp. So oh, I'm gonna move it up so right here is good for me. Okay, I want to make sure I have it like even so I can know, I can pay attention to how I'm stamping it. Then it's which one? You are so cool. That's the one I'm really like. This. You are so cool. Oh, I don't need the stamp block. I don't need it. Oh wow, because I'm gonna put this here like this. You can tell this is a really a good quality stamp. I don't like wait a minute, didn't I? Oh yeah. I was like, why is it looking backwards to me? Alright, so let me open ink up the stamp. I have to take this off right there. Okay. So here we go. Oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna ink it again. I don't want to smush down. I'd rather, you know, do it a couple of times and then smush down and then have that smush look. Because I can be pretty heavy-handed. Do it one more time. I'm sure I could press down just a little bit more than I am, but I'm just being so cautious because I'd rather be safe than sorry. Because I don't want to have to do this over and waste, you know, my materials. Alright. Okay. I'm good. I'm stopping right there. That's good. Okay, so it says you are so cool. Let me wipe off the stamp. I think I have a chamois in the box. Something came up. I have to look at that later. So let me put the stamp back. I cleaned it. Nice and clean. And I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. Nice. So we have that. So I'm gonna now take this out the way. The Stamparatus. If you are interested in the Stamparatus, let me know. It's called Stamparatus. Go on my website, you can find it too. Oopsie. Those metals are no joke. I really like it. Okay, so now, so we have the card. It's not, I like the fact that they show you and it doesn't look complicated, you know? Okay, so we have a piece of twine. Oh, somebody woke up. It's early though. It's really early. Oopsie. So I'm gonna cut a piece of this string. And then I guess you make it, see this, now this kind of bow I think I could make much easier than the one with the ribbon. Because it's like a shoestring. And I don't think it has to be all, like, it's going to be, part of it is going to be covered, so it's a little different. Wait, y'all, 1 second, I may have to check on her. She just got up. She's not an infant, she's a toddler, but still. But sometimes it's really early, and I don't want her to get up. She'll be up, but I'll let her stay a little longer in the bed because I don't want to, how can I say, just get her off schedule. And be running around too early. So sometimes sister girl has to lay there for me as long as she ain't soaking wet, you know, her overnight. And she'll fine. I had to call my mother-in-law and her grandmother other day because she fell outside. And when I was speaking to my mother-in-law yesterday, I felt like almost like I felt like someone that never had kids before and that need to go to their mom for advice because they were so nervous. It was so funny. Like, I have a daughter. She's 34. So that was years ago. And she's still my baby though. Still my baby. But believe me, I cannot treat her like one because sister girl is not having it. She is not. Okay. I'm fiddling with this. But I think if I go ahead and put down the dimensionals like I saw, I probably won't have to be fiddling as much. Let me see if I can make this. 1 second. Okay. Alright. So I saw 3 dimensionals. And these are some good dimensionals. They got a good adhesive. I like good products. I do not like products that are like cheapy. I just do not. It just, am I doing this right? Okay, I'm gonna have to put it like this. Because if I don't, then it's gonna stick to. Oh, I didn't take the thing off. I was like, it's not sticking. I didn't take the paper off. Oh my God. And I'm only going to take it off one. good. And so now I know to bring this in. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right here. Make sure it's even. Make sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, I got to move it over just a tiny bit. See, if she has certain kind of different cries. There's a cry that um it's a real cry, like you know that cry, and then there's a other cry where. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna snip this and snip some snip it. Okay. I like it. I like it. Like it. Like it. I like it. Like it. Like it. It looks a little bit like this. Only thing I got both my strings here, which I'm gonna leave it because I like that. And when I go to use it in my Bible journaling, I believe I'm going to do some inking around it and, you know, some other stuff to it. But I just wanted to come on here and make this card because I said that I was going to do it in the video and I was going to lay back down and because it's the next day and I got some sleep. But I want to just do this so I could finish it, do it, and then go lay back down and get up and do my paper later on for school. It's not a big paper. It's actually an assignment rather than a big paper. So, yeah, so. But yeah, it's still a paper because I call it a paper because you still got to write something and turn it in. Right? But it's not like 40 pages. Alright, so isn't that cool? Because Jesus, you are so cool. You are so cool. You are so good. Jesus, you are so cool. You are so cool. You are so good. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'm going to leave the information to the paper pumpkin subscription in my description section, in the description section of this video. And I'm going to, again, give reminders as the time approaches May 7th because that's a great deal if you want to try card making or if you want to get cards so you can put in your Bible journaling, right? There's so many things out there we can use for Bible journaling. But I just think this is a really, really great deal, okay? Like if you really, really want to try the paper pumpkin kit. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.